multi-character, character skin, and air. The skin panel, which is under the characters panel, is responsible or consists of the slider to change the skin tone of your character. The first color, which is skin color, when you over your slider, you will see a short description of what each one does. So this first one is your skin color. So when I click and move around, I can change the main skin tone of my character. So I can just use backspace to reset back. So the second one is the under skin color. So this is the color underneath the character skin. Then this third one is the skin blend. This has different ways to blend between skin color 1 and skin color 2. So when I switch to 1, you see the way the two are blended together looks different from when I'm in skin color 0, skin blend 0. So this way you can blend between the two colors. The second line here is the SRM. SRM stands for specular, roughness, and metallic. You can change the specularity of your character skin, the roughness, and the metallic. These properties here are gotten from the principal BSDF material, so they are the same thing, just pulled out here. The third line is the SSS. This is subsurface scattering of the characters, so you can just change how much SSS you have, or you can change the color for the SSS. Then this is the character's name. So if I toggle this on, you can see this first slider says nail length, nails length. The second one, nail color. Then this other one, specular, roughness, and metallic. This is unique and different from the skin color, so you can tweak the specular, roughness, and metallic of the nails outside the skin color. So when you toggle it on, you can change the character's nail. Let me zoom in. So you can change the character's nail, the color of the nail, can add roughness to it, font will shine, and so on and so forth. For this property is the same for AY female, but AY kid doesn't have nail length, just AY female and AY male. Characters A. The characters A panel consists of the hairstyles, SRM, facial hair for male, AY female, and AY kid doesn't have facial hair. Then stubble. The stubble is also particular to the AY male. The female and the kid doesn't have this. AY hairstyle can be changed using this slider. You can either click and drag to change. So for the complete kit, we have 50 hairstyles. So you can just slide and change this to get different hairstyle. This first one is the primary hair color. Then this second one is the secondary hair color. Let me give them different colors so you can see. So this first one is the main color. These two will be active if pattern is active. Pattern can be located under toggle pattern. So it's active. When you deactivate it, you see only the primary color is showing. So you can either turn it on or off. By default, pattern is on. So that's that. For facial hair, which is particular to only the male character, you can switch the facial hair of the character around. So the first one here is the facial hair color blend. This is to blend between either this, or a separate color. So when it's on 1, it chooses the first color only. When it's on 2, it chooses the second color mixed with the first. And when it's on 3, you can choose a unique color, any different color aside these two that you want. It also has its own saturated specularity, roughness, and metallic. The stubble, let me switch this off. The stubble can be tweaked here. So at 0 is at its lowest visibility, and at 10 is at its highest visibility. You can change the color or you can turn it on and off.